Forest Minister T.A. Shyamkumar says expert team is arriving soon to investigate mysterious predator responsible for killing domesticated livestock in various parts of Manipur. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayanta declares winners of 11th Manipur State Film Award 2018's Best Feature Film, Non-Feature Film and Best Film Critic Awards. Chanura Microfin Manipur launches micro-enterprise loan to facilitate women entrepreneurs of the state. And India Polo Team B Manipur bags championship title of the 12th Manipur Polo International. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar has disclosed that an expert team is arriving soon to investigate the recent mysterious deaths of domesticated animals and fowls in various parts of Manipur. Briefing media on the measures undertaken by the government to combat the mysterious predator, Minister T.H. Shyamkumar assured that the relevant departments are on alert and have undertaken necessary measures. Stating that the predator may be a wild species, he appealed everyone not to panic and not to kill any wild animal upon suspicion.
Animal channel the expert over missing na kung karamba sana si mong the sagi habado adu ma khoi si finding out tawri nari khanari khoi khakta na khoi decide to ya de expert mayama lady animal channel ge lady government channel ge animal channel ge lady si mayam je khoi na expert mayam lady si matang ki da adu moi mayam do gi wa discuss to gre adu moi infana thuna la ni si mo da season ba hurani jam thuna khang manga mani kadang ba khoi yen nganu ka sire kadang hala me han taraga eta wild animal me am je takatana heart pe film je masi I'm sorry, so I request to the media, to the people of Manipur, please stop killing the wild animals.
On the other hand, piglets were found dead in mysterious circumstances in Thoubal district this morning. One of the 3 pigs reared by one Langpuklakpam Nanao from Tekcham Mamang Laikai was found dead inside a pigsty, and another one sustained injury, while half body of the 3rd piglet was recovered half a kilometer away from the pigsty. A team led by Central Divisional of Forest Officer inspected the area and samples of the dead piglets were taken for examination. Speaking to media, Central DFO R.K. Amarjit opined that the piglets must have been attacked by carnivorous animals. Assuring that the relevant department has started investigation into the case, R.K. Amarjit appeals to everyone to stay alert without fear. Art and Culture Minister Langpuklakpam Jayanta has announced the Best Feature Film, Non-Feature Film and Best Film Critic Awards of the 11th Manipur State Films Award 2018 today. Inakta Ladingai, produced by Anil Longjam, bagged the Best Feature Film Award, and director of the film Manoranjan Longjam was accorded the Best Direction Award. Theatre of the Earth, produced by Film Division Mumbai and directed by Oinam Doren, bagged the Best Non-Feature Film Award, and the Best Film Critic Award went to Yambem Tombi Devi for this year. R.K. Kaiku, who played Khaba, and Soma Laishram, who played Thoinu in Inakta Ladingai, won the Best Actor and Best Actress Award in the feature film section. Lifetime Achievement Award of Manipur State Film Award for this year will be accorded to Kangabam Tomba. The awards were announced by the Art and Culture Minister at his office in Babupara today. Altogether, 8 films made entry into the feature film section, 2 in the non-feature film section, and 3 films for Best Film Critic Award. However, no film of tribal and Meitei Pangal community and Best Film Book made entry this year. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Jayanta stated that limited entries of films this year is a challenge for the Art and Culture and Manipur State Film Development Society. He asserted that it would be apt to take a decision for encouraging filmmakers of the state and ensure entries of tribals and Meitei Pangal community films from next year. Disclosing that final discussions on state film policy were held, the minister stated that a gazette notification on the policy will be out as soon as it is passed by the cabinet. Minister Jayanta Kumar asserted that film industry in Manipur will unfold a new chapter once the policy comes into effect. Secretary of Manipur State Film Development Society, Dr. Hamom Naba, Chairman of Feature and Non-Feature Film Jury, Thoidingjam Tombi, Chairman of Best Film Critic Jury, R.K. Bidur, and officials of Manipur State Film Development Society were present in the event.
We need to make certain big investment. I'm changi. Do akoi gyan tamina basu changi. The commercial basis ta ngauri ba kangu sing ngau sunu ke sukai di mo yog dana. Ai hase nga choba phana phona ba kanda lakanda masang macha chen ba phatabla ta pha pone tam. It's a good symptom. Madugi marakta national level international level chikhel pa ya makli poch am thor kani like national award marakta akoi pawn gumba mo yor pa na habisi masi yamna thought invoking ideas me am ma thok pa pawn gumba ma thok da ke why not in the next generation pawn gumba makli mitra ko nangang thor eng khalo adu di amugen pharo da kamai sem ga de ka ba gumba ki ideas sing jakoi chang ba habitai.
Forest and Environment Minister T.A. Shyamkumar has stated that art and culture not only bring identification but also play a major role in bringing a disciplined society. He was speaking in the concluding day of the 5-day Ras Leela festival held at Brahmapur Nahabam Guru Aribam Mandap in Imphal East district as part of Manipur Sangai Festival. The festival was organized by Manipur Artists Association since November 25. He asserted that Ras Leela, which incepted from Manipur, occupies a significant place among international classical dances. He urged everyone to preserve the varied art forms of the state.
Mapangin lang ko ba tulis kaya kasi di Manipur ay lapkada Rasila si yamakada kuning kudo karaso daite ado masi hadan na iriya pamsulay ato palipaki ato so ba biya lapkada ako Rasila ni siya photography pinaga kise asi mayo di kay kuno ba koy masi de ko kasi ba ang pamilya ba alam man live rules na ang top di ba manal so ang to iba masi man ato ibatik pa ba.
Manipur People's Democratic Front in a press release urged Forest and Environment Minister T.A. Shyamkumar to take up similar cleanliness measures in and around Loktak Lake as in Imphal City. An RTI activist has filed a writ petition at the High Court of Manipur against State Chief Information Commissioner of Manipur Information Commission for closing the compensation-related case of upstream villages affected by Mapitel Dam without proper resolution and without proper response on RTI requests of relevant documents from DC Ukhrul district. Following which, the court has ordered DC Ukhrul and MIC State Chief Information Commissioner to respond within 3 weeks on November 26. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, former Ombudsman of Imphal East MGN REGS, Wahengbam Joy Kumar stated that DC Ukhrul was intimated to produce relevant documents through RTI on December 12 of 2015. However, no response was provided, citing threats by underground outfits. He alleged State Chief Information Commissioner of Manipur Information Commission for closing the case, stating that it is of no public interest. The RTI activists sought for cooperation from public and relevant departments in bringing justice.
I think Malaysia kaino aganda ako gilalalo mayama magi moy siya sindu mo hapay adu yen ko matamda madu prajada nati I think kano pirise moy paisa demand tau jabani moy official ka adu di sarkar amra ebani na lalu bagi adu I think ba eba mayam di sarkar na theng jagadam neba madu di ako gi wadi corruption ma tawgre sena tumda aramam tawgre PBU ai baneba adu exemption mayam dun madu kon ba yade ba adu bu masi order ji 2016 da tak matamda ngasai gi si information commissioner sina public interest na teka hairga adu ai kano haitare ai na haijariba ground sing duman appreciate to bungam dadana information je pine na ba haigi deba man information pin PPU na haigi basdi information pin na bi maram do PU hai bane information to pi da na bagi maram do aingon da piu haibne ai information to piu haibna te maram asina aina high court handak PIL ma thabani adu PIL nan tang kun tarukta nabi me tang kun tarukta moi information commissioner adu sarkar kambuda notice issue.
Chanura Microfinance Manipur has launched micro enterprise loan at Manipur Press Club today with an aim to facilitate women entrepreneurs of the state. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Executive Officer of Chanura Microfinance Manipur, PK Kuman, stated that micro enterprise loans of 6,000 to 1 lakh rupees will be provided to women undertaking various enterprises. He believed that the new initiative will aid government startup program in promoting women entrepreneurs. PK Kuman also mentioned that the company has set a target to promote 3,000 women entrepreneurs in 1.5 years through the loaning initiative. Former Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Dr. C.H. Jamini, Chairperson of Chanura Microfinance Manipur, and Harimati, and many eminent persons attended the event. Selected beneficiaries were also provided loans on the occasion.
Lamdam sida karbar macha macha tawjariba imaibel singna Makoigna Tauriba Karbar Sidagi, Karahan at Sakot Pangamnava, Aduga Lamdam Sidagi, Women Entrepreneurs Putongna Bagida Pandamda, Chanura Microfinance Manipurna, Nasi Akanaba Simit Chinta Sentang Haina, Aquina Kanava, Micro Enterprise Loan, as Aquina Lanstok Zavani, Masi Aquina Hairiba, Aquage Micro Enterprise Loans, Aquina Sai Ama Makaisida, Manipura, Imaibel, Lisingahungi. Masida akoina sentang pinaba aduga akoige nupi lising ahum micro enterprise entrepreneurs lising ahum je akoina puthokna bagi pandam makhada akoina thabuk si packet pani.
Proscribed group Maoist Communist Party in a press release informed that the group is fully prepared for the 2-day general strike called from the midnight of December 5 till the midnight of December 7 against the Indian and the state governments, stating that Bharatiya Janata Party BJP government and Rashtriya Swayam Sevak RSS are reconstructing Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. The proscribed party demanded renovation of Mongba Hanba Kubam and Kurai Ahongpum Kubam in similar manner. It also accused the government of remaining silent over land controversies at Indo-Myanmar border and Zuko Valley. The proscribed party also condemned raids by security forces at Manipur University, arrest of individuals citing cyber crimes for expressing their opinions against the government on social media and for throwing eggs on portraits of government officials. The party also warned of negative consequences against RSS and BJP workers and officials of the government if they try to curb the strike. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on opening of the 24th branch of Manipur Rural Bank at Kumbong Market. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. NABARD General Manager P.N. Praveen Kumar has inaugurated the 24th branch of Manipur Rural Bank at Kumbong Market in Imphal West today. Speaking on the occasion, Praveen Kumar stressed on the significance of banks in the economy. He said banks not only inculcate the habit of saving money but also provide loans to facilitate enterprises. He urged everyone to have the habit of repaying loans on time and ensure survival of banks. Praveen Kumar appeals to avail the benefits of the newly inaugurated bank and also to cooperate in ensuring its sustainability.
Manipur is the big problem is that finance is not taking place. Finance is not taking place at which it should be taken place. The reasons are many. One is like what we have to do. See, here in this respect, I request that all these people who have come from Kumbong to understand that banking is basically a trust and a relationship. What we need to do is to build this relation, to build this trust. Then you can ask for loans, they will be able to give that. This is the very important thing.
Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM in a press release informed that forms for rectifying names, parents' names and date of birth for candidates appearing Class 10 board examination will be available at www.bsem.nic.in from December 1 onwards. MLA Thangmaiban Kumukcham Joy Kishan has condemned the Rearrest of Kishore Chandra Wangkhem alias Wang Toy after he was released on bail as per an order of Imphal West Chief Judicial Magistrate as unconstitutional and subjugation of human rights. The Congress MLA challenged the BJP-led state government to arrest him like those others arrested for speaking their minds against the government. MLA Joy Kishan visited family members of Kishore Chandra Wangkhem at the latter's residence in Kaishamthong today and assured them of assistance. Briefing media, MLA Joy Kishan intimated that Imphal West Chief Judicial Magistrate Lamkhan Pautonsin gave a clear-cut verdict that Kishore Chandra Wangkhem's post uploaded on social media Facebook related to birth anniversary of Rani Jhansi is not a sedition case and that it does not come under IPC's under section 124A sedition case. The MLA maintained that following the verdict, Kishore Chan was placed under bailable offence under IPC's under section 294 and 500 with PR bond of 70,000 rupees. The MLA termed the rearrest of Kishore Chan within 24 hours of his release without any explanation as an undeclared emergency in the state. The Congress MLA asserted that silence maintained by media persons when a fellow colleague is being harassed shows that media in the state is under the threat of the government. He alleged both BJP-led state and central governments of suppressing any voices raised against them. Asserting that suppression of Kishore Chan is suppression of the public by the government, MLA Joy Kishan urged people of the state to speak out. He also demanded clarification from the government at the earliest.
Manipur media society na media gi mi ma awa ta ka da wang ba kira ave stage se masida ge na sathi bi stage ma leitri magistrate na taribu rai do lali magistrate na aran ba thabak to kre man pire bel do lali natraga akoina matam du paliba casing du nataba tongan ba ma pale harga madu clear cut imung manung da lebak myam da khangan bam sarkar sigi mayok ta wang pa khudimak jenda thamni habi wafam lerga di sarkar sigi matakta ngang ba miyo emasu ayak ne se ngasi Manipur praja myam da haijari tawi tawdi habisu hekta media gi mamag da Manipur praja myam wang da challenge tawna si sarkar sigi against ngang bu ai phani su phajau haibase ai ngasi leiriba salenga asida aina openly aina masi challenge.
Attending the press meet, Ranjita, wife of Kishore Chan Wangkhem, asked why her husband was rearrested without any warrant within a couple of hours of granting him bail by the court. Ranjita expressed disappointment that people are doing rounds only on his choice of words in his post uploaded on Facebook, but nobody tries to understand what led Kishore Chan used those strong words. Ranjita maintained that rearresting of Kishore Chan for his choice of words is not justifiable on humanitarian ground. It may be mentioned that after granting bail by Imphal West CJM Court on November 26, Kishore Chan Wangkhem was taken for investigation at Imphal West SP office in the evening of November 27. He was then taken straight to Sajiwa jail.
Why Sajiwa jail court na CGA na bailzi phangabani chinthibagi damakta phaba yade sugumba right late Indian constituency da sugumba right late haidana thadokraba potu kari ground da phari bano haiba akoi kari mata khangdi ngasi unazaru adubu che do mangonda sinabirame hai akoi ju hosi phoba gyan ta dan chamamna dana leiba kan ada yamna nungai tabadi ahan bagi thodok tasu amukhak tawgre BJP gi abbreviation piru bagi damakta adu da su apology tawde haibagi kaino masu lei aduna oirabra koi chingna jai kari hai dom no khangde akhoi gi di kanam ta su laijade koi gi sir lak piraga hangbiri base si khatang ne sir bu yam thaga se si gi matang ja akhoi kanam ta da haijaru ngamdre kanam ta da keno tawde.
Bangladeshi Meiteis who are attending Manipur Sangai Festival met with titular King Lashemba Sanajauba at the Royal Palace today. Taking part in the event, convener of Manipuri Cultural Complex L. Jayanta Kumar stressed the need to preserve memorial site of late King Marjit located in Bangladesh. Secretary of Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur Rakesh Naurem, Sangeet Natak Academy awardee for storytelling Takilambam Shyam Kanhai and senior narrative arts artist Konthaujam Kunjo were present on the occasion. Sea Corporator M. Joy Chandra organized a warm reception program for Myanmarese Meiteis attending the Sangai Festival at Kaishamthong Top Leirak today. A grand feast was thrown for the Myanmarese Meiteis and gifts were presented to them on the occasion. A one-day voluntary blood donation awareness campaign cum donation camp was held at Manipur Trade and Expo Center, Lamboy Khongnangkhong today as part of the ongoing Sangai Festival. RIMS Department of Transfusion Medicine, Towards Tomorrow Manipur, NSS Unit 1 and 2 Imphal College and Association of Voluntary Blood Donation Manipur Thoubal District Branch jointly organized a camp with assistance from National Health Mission Manipur Blood Cell. Many students and journalists donated blood in the camp. Mahut Department in a press release informed that Andro Nagar Panchayat in Imphal East and Lilong Nagar Panchayat in Imphal West districts were declared as municipal councils by the governor under Manipur Municipalities Act 1994 Section 3 Subsection 1. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren has visited two Japanese who are undergoing treatment at Surgical Institute Care Unit of RIMS yesterday. The two Japanese were admitted to RIMS after sustaining injuries in an accident on their way from Dimapur to Imphal on a bus in Kangpopi district on November 27. Chief Minister Biren directed the doctors and director of RIMS to provide them the best treatment. He also invited the two Japanese at Chief Minister's bungalow before leaving for Japan. Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian and PHED Minister Losi Diko accompanied the Chief Minister during the visit. Now the sports news. India Polo Team B Manipur has bagged the championship title of the 12th Manipur Polo International. In the final match of the international polo played at Imphal Polo Ground today, India Polo Team B Manipur defeated England Polo Team by 7-4. For the winners, P. Ojit scored 4 goals, T.H. Kauba scored 2 goals and S. Bimol scored 1 goal. Trophy, memento and cash award of 1 lakh rupees were awarded to the winning team. For England Polo Team, George Moore scored 2 goals, Ben Eli and Henry Moore scored 1 goal each. Runners-up trophy, memento and a cash award of 50,000 rupees were accorded to England Polo Team. Ex-Polo Club Wangkai Thangong Ayangba backed Best Pony, while Imphal Riding Club Loya and MPSC Sanabi backed 2nd and 3rd Best Pony awards. England Polo Team's player George Shelton was declared the best player of the tournament. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah, Speaker Y. Khemchan and MLA Moirang P. Sarchandra and various notable officials of MHRPA attended the closing event. It may be mentioned that the International Polo Tournament was organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association with the participation of teams from USA, England, Uruguay along with India Team A and India Team B Manipur. The Shanghai Open Men's Tennis Championship concluded today. In the men's singles final played today at IDTA's tennis complex in Lamphel, Brojan beat Becker 6-2, 6-2 to bag the winner's title. Brojan was felicitated with a 24-inch LED TV, 6,000 rupees cash award and a winner's trophy, while runners-up Becker was accorded runners-up trophy and 3,000 rupees cash award. In men's doubles, duo Brojan and Rebhaskar bagged the winner's title and were accorded winner's trophy and 6,000 rupees cash award. Runners-up duo and Premjit and Y. Lilinje were accorded runners-up trophy and 3,000 rupees cash award. G.A. Abha bagged the winner's title and T.H. Ibethoy bagged the runners-up title in under 10 girls category, while in under 10 boys category K. Sohan bagged the winner's title and Dhanraj S. bagged the runners-up title. In under 14 girls category, L. Nandini bagged the winner's title and Y. Thoibi bagged the runners-up title, and in under 14 boys category, Biki Sagolshem bagged the winner's title and Shankar Haisnam bagged the runners-up title. Title winners were accorded trophy, certificate and cash award of 2,000 rupees each, while the runners-up title holders were accorded trophy, certificate and cash award of 1,000 rupees each. The tennis championship was organized by Imphal District Tennis Association under the aegis of Manipur Tennis Association. Administrator of Manipur University, Jarnail Singh IAS, who is also popularly known as father of modern tennis in Manipur, proprietor of Eastern Motors as Pritam, proprietor of Arun Enterprises, T.H. Arun Kumar, Vice Chairman of Salai Holdings and Bishorjit, proprietor of Eastern Suzuki, S. Haridas, and eminent persons of IDTA attended the closing ceremony.
And I'm so happy to see our who have given financial contributions to make sure that the young players have interest in the game and they keep on playing well, and we are able to produce better players. My congratulations to all the winners and all those who participated, and many thanks to the donors. It's only recently that we find good people are coming forward to contribute for the game. I had not seen it long back, and it is one of the very encouraging sign for our sports industry. And I also congratulate the IDTA office bearers who have done wonderful job in organizing a tournament. And from my side, I assure them that I also...
Manipur State Council Communist Party of India in a press release strongly condemned the detention of 8 trekkers of Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association MMTA by Nagaland police and demanded their unconditional release. It may be mentioned that the 8 trekkers went to Zuko Valley as part of Adventure Tourism of Manipur Sangay Festival 2018 and they were detained for allegedly starting wildfires in the valley. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Forest Minister T.A. Shyamkumar says expert team is arriving soon to investigate mysterious predator responsible for killing domesticated livestock in various parts of Manipur. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayanta declares winners of 11th Manipur State Film Award 2018's Best Feature Film, Non-Feature Film and Best Film Critic Awards. Janura Microfin Manipur launches micro-enterprise loan to facilitate women entrepreneurs of the state. And India Polo Team B Manipur bags championship title of the 12th Manipur Polo International.